Pictory's editor is pretty simple. You can't do a lot of things that you can with more complex video editing software. But is it a good or bad thing? If you want to create very edited video, you won't find a solution with Pictory. But if you're just starting and want to create video fast without too much hassle, then it is good that the editor is very simple. Now let's see what you can or can't do with Pictory. When you use text to video, whether it is from a blog post or a script you wrote, the next step is to get Pictory generated video with matching videos. All of the videos you have there are from the video library, and you don't have to worry about licensing the video clips. Adding video to the scene is very simple. You just need to be on the right scene and then click on the video you want to insert. You can also add videos from other websites like Pixabay by uploading the video to My Uploads. To find a video in a stock video, you can use tags or search for it. If it is a video you uploaded, you can find it in My Uploads. If you want to use a video later, you can click on the heart icon and it will save it in your favorites. This is a tab with the heart on it. If you want the video to be in multiple scenes, then go to the Story tab and connect the scenes where you want the same video to continue. You can also do that by clicking on the right or left arrow on the editor, and then you can find also the linking option. If you want to change the aspect ratio of the video, you can click on the landscape or format option. Then adjust it to the format you want. If you use the vertical mode, then you can move the larger video so it will fit on the screen in the focused area. This is the main editor. You also have the option to move the video into the focused area when you want to create shorts from long video. When you do that, you have one more step before you get into this editor. The other editor is for customizing the text and the video into a short video. While you can also edit more things in the main editor, you can also export the video directly from the pre-editor. Here you can also move the video in the vertical video so it will match the video size. If you want to break down the video and have one scene with only video and music, then you can click on the scene where you want the new scene to go and click on the arrow on the side. The left arrow will add the scene before this scene, and the right arrow will add the scene after this scene. When you click on each one of them, you have a few options: blank, text, visual only, and visual and text. I'm not sure why they have all of those options, because you can edit all of them the same way. Click on visual only if you want to add the video without voiceover. Now upload the video you want to add or use a video from the library. If you add a video that has sound on it, you can mute the background music or you can mute the sound from the video. Each scene can contain only one visual, which can be a video or an image. If the video or images does not fit well on the whole screen, then you can go to the scene window and find the setting icon. When you open it, you have the option to zoom and pan. This is to fit the screen. It does not give any movement to the video or the image. Maybe in the future they will add this feature. If you want to layer the visuals, you can use the elements. There you have GIFs, emojis, and stickers you can use. The stickers are from the Giphy website, and you can search for whatever you want, but you cannot upload images of your own, at least not for now. However, I found a way if you really want to add an image on top of the video. You can use the branding option and add another image as a logo. Here's how to do it. Go to the branding tab. If it is your first time using it, or watch the video about branding. Add the image to the logo. Click on editing and add an image to the logo. After you do that, save. When it asks you if you want to add the branding, don't add the branding because it will change other things. And for now, you only want to add that image. Then open the branding tab again. Now you have another image in the line of the logos. Click on it and it will be inserted into the scene on top of the video. It is not a good solution for a lot of images, but for now it is something you can do to layer an image on top of the scene visuals. If we talk about the logo, when you apply the branding to a project, you are going to have the default logo on each scene you add and on any scene you create. If you want to have the logo on some of the scene but not on all of them, then click on the logo and then click on delete. This will delete the logo only from that scene. If you want to remove the logo from the whole project, then after you click on delete, you will have a notification that asks you if you want to remove the logo from all of the scenes. Another thing you can't do, because you can't layer, is to use video with green screen. You just can't remove the green, and also you can't add another layer. So when you search for videos, don't use the ones with green screen, because you can't remove the green screen. And of course, you can't add another video that have green screen on it. If you want to remove the green screen, you need different editor. If you want to trim the video, you can click on the scissors icon under the video. Now you get the entire length of the video, and you can choose which part of the video you want to end up in the video. When you do that, you need to know that it will change the scene duration. That means you need to see how much the scene duration is before you cut the part from the video. If you use Pictory stock videos and you see the preview that they have a watermark, you should not worry, it is removed when you export the video. Pictory also has very simple transition between scenes. You can add a transition by clicking on the transition button between the two scenes where you want to add that transition, and then choose from the options the transition you'd like to add. After you add that transition, you can see that the transition icon becomes purple instead of gray. When you click on the transition that has transitions set on it, you have some options. To change the transition, apply the same transition to all of the scenes, and then also delete from this scene or delete all of the transition from all of the project. A few tips I learned about using transition. Most of the time it's best for the video to not have transition, especially when the scenes are moving fast, because it can be hard on the eyes. If you do like to use some transition, then don't add them to all of the scenes, but choose where you are transitioning between points or section in the video. Then use a simple transition for soft movement, or a strong transition if you really want to mark this as a turning point. Most of the time, you don't need more than 3 transitions in short video. Pictory is all about the text. This is what they are good at, converting text to a video. This is why you have subtitles on all of the scenes, but sometimes you want to add text that you don't want to be in the narration. This is why you also have the option to add text as separate element in the scene. You can click on the text and add the text you want, then customize the text to look different. If you want that scene to not have the text of the narration as subtitle and instead have different subtitles, then use the text option to add the text you want on the screen and turn off the subtitles by clicking on the subtitle icon under the scene. If you want to remove all of the subtitles from all of the video, you can click on Apply to All. So what is the conclusion from all of the missing features in Pictory Editor compared to more complex video editing software? Well, I don't look at it as a comparison to professional video editing software, because I don't think that was their intention when they created this software. Pictory is for everyone who wants to create video fast with the help of AI. It's also not ideal for creating long-form videos. In my opinion, the best use of the Pictory website is for creating short-form videos and repurposing content you already created. For example, converting a blog post into a video or breaking down a long video into shorter clips. You have enough flexibility to change the video, but still keep it simple. I think it's a great solution for creating short-form videos quickly. I've seen many questions about monetizing channels with Pictory, and honestly, I don't think that anyone who sells and markets Pictory has a channel that was monetized solely with this content and kept the channel forever. I think the idea is to help you make more videos quickly from content that has already helped you make money. It can also help you create more short videos to reach larger audience that will then watch the longer video you created with another tool. There are also many other creators who talk about how to repurpose other people's content. This can be a risky route if you want to make money from your content, because YouTube constantly creates more ways to recognize video that use other people's content. If you use existing video from other creators, you might get caught and have your channel closed or demonetized. Pictory is a shortcut to create more content from what you have, but it can't replace your creativity. Think about it. What kind of video do you like to watch? The ones that copy others or original content? When you create a video, think about who is going to watch it. Are those people really going to watch a video that was generated by ChatGPT and Pictory? I don't think so. Although I occasionally watch videos with AI voices, I can usually sense if the video is original or just another copy from another creator. So use Pictory to save the time repurposing your creativity, but don't think it will replace your creativity because it won't. At least not for now. If you want to give Pictory a try, you can get 14 days for free to test the platform. You can also get 20% off with the code in the description. Like and subscribe and watch the next video for more deep tutorials about Pictory.